Get a feel for the 2020 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.